In this video, I will show you step by step how you can sign up to the TikTok Shop affiliate program so you can start making money on TikTok with your TikTok content. So make sure you stick out through the whole video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to our TikTok. And then from here, what you need to do now is you need to go to your profile in the bottom right hand corner, select the three lines in the top right hand corner, and then click on TikTok Studio. Once we select TikTok Studio, under the monetization option, you've got two different options right here. So you've got TikTok Shop for Creator and also TikTok Shop for Seller. Now, if you want to be an affiliate for other people's products on TikTok, the one we need in today's video will be TikTok Shop for Creator. Click on this, and then once you click on this, you will need to meet TikTok community guidelines. You need to have over 1,000 followers, be at least 18 years old, and I've posted a video on TikTok in the last 28 days. Once you meet all of these criteria right here, you will then be able to click on the apply button. And then once we click on apply, once you get accepted by TikTok into the affiliate program, you will then be able to start promoting other people's products through your content on TikTok. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.